Hey guys, and welcome back to another Diets and Doodles video. Today, I'll be making some Heart Healthy Date Crescents that you can enjoy as a yummy treat. For the dough, you will need 1 cup of fine semolina, 1 cup of flour, 150 ml of light sour cream, 150 grams of tahini, half a teaspoon of instant yeast, and half a teaspoon of Mahleb. For the date paste, you will need 1 tablespoon of rose water and 450 grams of dates. I used twice this amount in the video, but I only ended up using half the date paste I made. Firstly, combine the sour cream and tahini in a bowl using a whisk, then add all your dry ingredients and fold in. Once you start to see a dough forming, tip it out on your work surface and start kneading. Tahini is a sesame paste that is commonly used in a lot of Middle Eastern cuisine. It contains healthy fats, and you may have heard it being used in things like hummus or as a savory sauce such as in Falafel. However, it is so versatile, so you can also use it in desserts. In this case, I've used it to replace butter as a more heart-healthy alternative. Once your dough has come together, cover it in cling film and leave it in a warm place for 2 hours. Meanwhile, let's make our date paste. Firstly, if your dates are dry, you will need to steam them to make a paste out of them. To do this, pour out your dates into a steamer, add boiling water into your pot, and put your steamer on top. Cover with a lid and leave to steam on medium to high heat until the dates are soft. Next, scoop up your dates and place them in a food processor, add your rose water and blend it until it becomes a paste. Taste it and adjust the amount of rose water depending on your preferences. Now it's time to assemble our date crescents. Divide your dough in half and knead it until it's soft and not crumbly. Using a rolling pin, or a fondant roller in my case, roll out your dough until it's less than ½ centimeter thick. Cut the dough into long triangles as shown. Scoop on a teaspoon of date paste along the shortest edge of the triangle. Tightly roll the triangle until you get the crescent shape. I recommend using a little bit of water to stick the tips down because I didn't do that and they turned out funny, as you'll see at the end of the video. Repeat until you're done with all the dough. Mine look a bit wonky, but it's all going in our stomach, so who cares? You can cover the tops of the crescents with sesame if you like, but I didn't because the great idea came to me after I had already baked them. Bake these wonky boys at 180 degrees for 15 to 20 minutes or until the edges are golden brown. As you can see, some of the tips came off the crescents. Normally we dust these guys in some powdered sugar, but the date is already quite sweet, so it doesn't need any. And that's the whole recipe. Simple, right? Enjoy with a cup of coffee or tea and tell me how yours turned out. If you like this video, leave a comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!